full honesty, I haven't seen this video yet, but we're starting off with what looks like bronze. It could be brass though. Okay. Oh, he's making an anvil. A mini anvil. It's awesome. Okay, some decent work went into that mold. He's pounding the sand down now, making it nice and tight. Nice. I love the pour. You just break it apart like a sand bake. A salt bake. Okay. Looks pretty used. Oh wow, that steel wool did some serious work. And that thing looks good. I want one. I definitely want one of those too.